Brown and black lemurs have an equally odd weakness for mind-altering chemicals. The millipedes use dangerous secretions, including cyanide, as a defence, but the lemurs still chew on them, albeit extremely cautiously. The toxins cause the lemurs to salivate. They then rub both the saliva and the millipede into their fur. They use it as an insecticide to ward off insects such as mosquitoes that carry malaria. But they are suspiciously enthusiastic about the whole process. The chemicals also appear to send them into a trance-like state. A condition of complete intoxication. And they can't seem to get enough.